In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete your Trello account. Whether you've decided to move on from this organizational tool or simply need a fresh start, you'll find everything you need to know right here in this step-by-step guide. To begin this process, open your preferred web browser and head to Trello.com. This is your starting point for accessing your Trello account, where all your boards, cards, and tasks reside. Once you are on the homepage, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen and click on the Login button. Here you will need to provide your login credentials, which could be either your email address or your Google account. Choose whatever option suits you best for logging in and proceed to access your account. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on your Trello dashboard. Look towards the upper right corner once again, where you'll notice an icon that represents your account. Go ahead and click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Manage Account. This option will guide you to a new page dedicated to your account settings. As you navigate to account settings, your next focus will be on account preferences. Select this option to delve deeper into the intricacies of your account details. Here, Trello offers you a multitude of settings to personalize your experience, but today we're zooming in on one specific action: deleting your account. Scroll through the account preferences and locate the section that says Delete Account. Click on this link. Now Trello will start the deletion process. Trello will ensure you're making an informed decision, so you're likely to be prompted with a confirmation window to verify your intention. This is a critical step, as deleting an account is a permanent and irreversible action. Make certain that you've saved any important data or shared boards that you might want in the future. After confirming, Trello might ask you once or twice more to hit that delete account button. Each click reinforces your choice to permanently say goodbye to your Trello account. Finally, with your confirmation and a couple more reassuring clicks, Trello will process your request, and soon your account will no longer be active. Before you embark on this journey, remember that the deletion is final, and once completed, all your data will be lost with no option for recovery. It's always wise to back up any essential information beforehand to ensure you don't lose anything important. With those closing thoughts, you should now have a clear path to permanently delete your Trello account. If you encounter any hurdles or have further questions, the help section on Trello might just be the resource you need. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.